Montana has seen its first flu-related death of the season. Both are from Flathead County. And as MTN's Jack Ginsburg reports, officials say it is not common to see deaths this early into the season.
According to the Flathead County Health Department, peak season for influenza is December through February. Early into this year's season, 2 Flathead Valley residents have already died. They are the first flu-related deaths reported in Montana this year, and both were over the age of 65.
Both the people who passed away were reportedly not vaccinated for influenza, and their deaths fell on National Influenza Vaccination Week. Both the Center for Disease Control and here at the County Health Department, they are saying that the best way to fight the flu is to get the vaccination.
Vaccination is hands down the best prevention against influenza. The CDC recommends that anyone 6 months of age or older receive the vaccination, and I think it's important for people to recognize that it's not just about keeping yourself healthy, but it's also about keeping those around you that are healthy.
The health department says those who are at the highest risk for serious complications from influenza are people 65 years and older, children younger than 5, especially under the age of 2, people with chronic health conditions, and pregnant women. The health department reports that there have only been 25 reported cases of influenza in the Flathead so far, and Hansen says it is unusual to see a death this early in the flu season.
We saw our first death in mid-January of last year, so we are earlier than we saw it last year. A lot of times we won't see deaths until we have more cases in the community, so to see 2 deaths with only 25 cases in the community is different than what we've seen in some past years.
Hansen also wants to remind everyone to reduce contact from others as much as possible if you become ill.
So I know that can be really hard around the holidays when people want to visit families, but to recognize if you're ill, don't go visit grandma, don't go visit the new baby in the hospital. Make sure that you're taking care of those around you by staying home.
In Kalispell, Jack Ginsburg, MTN News.
And the health department says it may take up to 2 weeks for the vaccination to have an effect on the